Hi YouTube! Today I am doing a video on how to create tabletop. First things first. Okay, so let me tell you how I got imagination down and tabletop down as well. Okay, so when I was a kid, I was 10 years old when I first seen tabletop. At first I'm like, oh, it's a great game, it's like a board game. And then I was like, my eyes were just like this kind of thing, but where's the field? I don't get this. And then they were playing stats and everything, and I still didn't really get it, so I'm like, tabletop sucks. So now, let me tell you, okay, so let me get a drink of water real quick, sorry. When I was younger during this time too, at the age of 10, I realized that when, say, like my mom, well, yeah, I'm gonna say my mom, she wanted us to play, like, games, imagine we're at places, and some of them, like, first, like, thinking, that's really dumb, especially, like, tabletop. Um, you can go nowhere with tabletop, so then we did. So then my mom's like, imagine if you're at a beach or you're in the ocean or something, just like something fun. And yeah, I can picture it. And then I realized later on in my life that that's why I can do really good tabletop games. It took me years though. It didn't take me like a few seconds. It just took me years just comprehending colors and how vivid they are. And I finally got it for my surroundings and everything for my tabletop. So, guys, let me do another example too. Sorry, let me show you guys something. Okay, see a cup of water, right? It looks very, sorry, like on the camera, it does look kind of like lightish dark-ish, a little bit. And it's supposed to be kind of more darkish bright. So, say if in a story I had this cup of water. In my tabletop, it'll be a lot clearer and lighter. So that's how cool my imagination is. So, say if you pick up something, like if you see something around the house or stuff like that too, like say you see here, let me go or get an example too. Um a die. Sorry if I didn't do this. A die. And you see the numbers and all the stuff on it and you can picture it and then it gets planted in your head. Then there you go. You got your setting. But also a die that could be either in or color too as well. So yeah, it's cool. So yeah, guys, so this is going to be a really short video on how to make better tabletop RPGs with using your imagination because it was funny. So yeah, when I was a kid, I watched people play tabletop RPGs and I thought it was stupid. Like, let me be honest, you're the first think it's stupid and think it's like some mental illness, but it's not. They are actually having fun picturing where they are. So that is super amazing. It's not mental illness. Now let me tell you this though. People say that because let me be honest. I remember here, let me just take off my glasses. Okay. I remember when I saw someone flip through a D&D book and they read the warnings, do not play for various long times. So what happened was the guy said it was a bunch of BS, and after that he didn't do another YouTube video on it because he said he was gonna do more parts on how far he is in the game, but he died. So it's been 2 weeks, and then I figured out he's no longer making the video. So then I realized, oh, he must be on a break or something. But no, there was rumors and news. I think, again, don't get me lying. I think it had to be when I was 10 years old. So that is 2008 when that happened, and I believe that is true as well and correct because I was 10 years old and I saw the guy on a video, and then I saw that there was no more videos after that. So yeah. So guys, what do you want to do if you want to be great tabletop players and so that too? Focus on life first. After you focus on life, you got yourself a tabletop. So, for example, like me, I took a few years to realize this. So now say this too for another demonstration. Picture yourself at a beach, and the water is very blue, like very blue. It's swishing back and forth, kind of like that. You know, the waves, you know, how they crash, like that. If you can picture that and the whole like, over the seagulls, then you got yourself a tabletop right there. So if you can picture all that, and I just explained it, and you have it in your head, then that's how you start. So for me, let me explain, like my stories as cam writer. Okay, so this is what I come up with. Okay, so let me see. As cam writer, I do this. So I picture myself as myself, okay? So you know what myself looks like. And I'm not sure, should I take the glasses on or off? I'm not sure, I'll just keep them on. Because really, I'm not blind, I need them on to have my eyes healed up. So in the future it'll be fine too. So anyways, where was I with this? Okay, yeah, so if I picture myself as myself, if you can do that too, you pretty much got yourself a tabletop. Like, picture this. Picture yourself as yourself first, before you create the rest of the image. So after that, you got yourself, right? And you're picturing yourself. When you look in the mirror, you see yourself on the camera or whatever, and like go like, hey, and so that. Then you picture the actions, like if you're moving as yourself and imagining what actions that you would do, right? So then, yeah, so that's how I get my tabletop stories. So what else can I explain about this? Okay, yeah, how about another one? So picture me, or picture yourself, say, for example, like me. I'm gonna picture myself right now drinking water. Oh, I'm actually drinking water. So now I can re-image myself of me drinking water in my head. So then that's how you get the picture of the armor or what you want to be, pretty much, and get the loot that you want. So for me, let me tell you, I've been involved in RPGs. I love my dream fantasy loot. I'll tell you guys what it is. It is neon green and Jupiter blue. I can integrate that stuff because I know what the colors look like. They're very vivid. They're beautiful. And for me as a Christian, I love tabletop because of that reason. You know, like even RPGs. So what I'm trying to give a message here is that everyone can enjoy tabletop and RPG, even if they're Christians. And also, what's the other thing? Oh yeah, this is how you do tabletop. So I'm gonna give you a few examples, and then I'm gonna end. There's still more to write down to comprehend a picture. So say this: picture yourself, if you love pizza, picture yourself eating a pizza. That's another thing. Then picture yourself in your head of yourself eating a pizza. Then you get a new action, right? So now picture if you're eating that pizza, like it's a full pizza. Picture yourself eating a full pizza, a big circle round thing. Then you take a bite out of that pizza, and you realize, wow, that really burned my mouth, kind of thing too. Or, oh, it was good. Like I should reimagine it when I did it. And I'm not saying go and do it. I'm just saying if you picture yourself doing it, not you actually touching the pizza and just going like that. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying imagine yourself as if you had a giant pizza. If you imagine yourself in your mind. So then just eating a giant pizza or something. So that's how you get a tabletop too from that. So let me tell you this too. Now you're saying like, okay, what if I had a really cool imagination about a treasure chest and it had like a mouth and everything, like a mimic and so that like, well, what's cool about it? So guys, if you want to figure this out too, especially if you play RPG, you should figure this out by now. Is that if you can picture a mimic that you've seen in a video game, then you picture the mimic in your head with your character that is you. Then you got yourself a companion. That's a pet for a action RPG or an action RPG, tabletop RPG. And if you can picture that, you guys are all set to do some tabletop. And again, I know, sorry, I went on for a very, very long time, but if you guys get it, just comprehend life, do your job, or, sorry, people in general, just do great in life, do the job that you love, spend time if you are married or not married, just spend time with the person that you're with, and let's yeah, say that, spend time with the person that you're with. Do not be stuck in the games of tabletop, because that's when it gets very dangerous. Do eat, drink, sleep, and work with plenty of, oh yeah, sorry, what I meant to say, eat, a lot of food, drink a lot of water, get plenty of sleep, and that's how you avoid the dangers of being sucked into tabletop. And remember, when you guys are done with your tabletop, how do you excuse yourself from your own story? Simple. Okay, let me tell you. This will be the last point I'll give you guys. If that happens where so if it happens where you're ending the story, you guys won, blah blah, great game and everything, just then you gotta picture yourself back into reality. That's how you move on. Don't picture yourself still in that fictional world that you're in, because that's a danger in itself. And for me, I'm just saying this to anyone. I don't care. Sorry, I do care about you guys. You guys are awesome. But I don't care if, say, like, someone said, well, I'm not a Christian. I love tabletop. I like being stuck in this fictional world. It's like, it's my life, man. It's my life. Well, okay, so it is your life. Though, what is awesome is that, so yeah, what I'm saying is awesome is that that's how you excuse yourself from the world of your tabletop RPG, and that's all you need to know about it, too. And remember, always focus on life, not your life in a tabletop RPG, a fantasy world, and that's not where your life is. Focus on the people that you love, and remember them, and then that's how you get out of the game. So, guys, this has been my own video tutorial on how to make your own tabletop RPG, and also to escape it so you don't have the dangers of dying. Because one time, oh yeah guys, sorry, wait, before I end this, I gotta tell you a story. So one time I watched a guy saying that all these rules were BS, and he was playing D&D. So he said he was gonna play it for a few weeks in D&D. Oh wait, no wait, did I already tell the story? I'm sorry, I went blank. Okay guys, sorry. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, please remember this. Don't think the rules are BS about saying taking breaks from tabletop. If you think those are BS, do not play tabletop. Because that's how you need to live in reality. And that's how you live healthily in a tabletop RPG. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I gotta go. I'm going to a big event tomorrow, and I'll see you guys all soon. Bye!